No, 1 second, 1 minute, 1 minute. No, again, Mr. Tulsi, I have greatest regard for you. You are one of the best regarded lawyers in the Supreme Court. But with tremendous regard for you, I would again say to you what I said to Surjewala, that I am never wrong on fact. I said 21st of March, Chief Minister's approval came. 28th of March, Haryana government gives a letter of intent. So effectively, Haryana government clears the application for a change of land use, which means most of the land can be used for a residential project. I'm reiterating my fact. I stand by what I said, but answer the political
if you say that license was given, that is wrong.
I said Chief Minister's approval came on 21st.
That was given.
Good enough to transact a deal.
So on 18th January 2011, it was the letter of intent that was renewed. And these are the two facts on which Khemka was completely wrong in his order. And that's why the inquiry finds that Khemka had no basis.
Inquiry by whom?
But I want to say
inquiry by whom, sir?
I don't know when.
Inquiry by whom?
Pardon me?
Inquiry by whom?
Inquiry by the Chief Secretary.
Which government?
By Chief Secretary.
Which government?
Chief Secretary and three senior
Which government's Chief Secretary?
Senior most civil servants. Well, it's not a foreign government which will inquire.
It's a Congress government
of Haryana.
Kiran Bedi?
The three senior most chiefs.
Kiran Bedi?
No, I want to mention.
No, one second. Meghnad Desai wants to come in. Kiran Bedi's counter.
Why
Kiran
are
Bedi.
issues being raised?
Kiran Bedi. 1 minute. Kiran Bedi. Chief Secretary's inquiry report cleared the whole issue. Kiran Bedi to KTS Tulsi.
It's against the senior bureaucracy. Ashok Khemka has been shouting hoarse that they had been pressurizing him. They are the ones who've been victimizing him. Ashok Khemka had been shouting hoarse against the same bureaucracy, as I said in the opening statement, that no land deals are possible without full protection of the top bureaucracy and the top politicians. To my friend, Mr. Tulsi, I would say, one, he's on one hand appreciating the expeditious decision in the change of land use. On the other hand, he is finding fault with Ashok Khemka for and calling him disgruntled because he detected the wrongs in the land deal. On one hand, he's appreciating the speed of the Haryana government. On the other hand, he's calling Ashok Khemka disgruntled for having detected the wrongs in the land deal.
Tehsil Poonawalla is responding. We have 10 minutes left. Let them come in. KTS Tulsi, Tehsil Poonawalla is coming in. Tehsil.
When he passed this order.
Ask Kiran Bedi ji her opinion. If she thinks that Ashok Khemka was fighting against the bureaucracy and therefore he needs, and he was correct, ask her opinion on Sanjeev Bhatt and on Narendra Modi in the way.
What relevance does that have?
Sanjeev Bhatt, and ask the BJP spokesperson on your channel to answer one simple question. this government left, Adani ji was worth 1,000 crore rupees. Today is worth 2 lakh crore rupees when Modi ji is coming. And the debt of Gujarat, which was zero, and the Modi ji has become 2 lakh crore rupees. These are facts.
Ms. Tehseen,
These are facts.
Meghnad
The debt
Desai
of Gujarat today is 2 lakh crore rupees. And Adani ji is worth 2 lakh crore rupees.
No, Meghnad Desai wants to come in.
We allow them to run an industry to make it into an asset.
Sir, please. Meghnad Desai from London. From London, Meghnad Desai. Before the Meghnad Desai is rebutting you, sir. Tehseen, 1 minute. Wait, Tehseen. 8 minutes left.
Can I say one thing?
Meghnad Desai.
You see that what there is a complete symmetry in both parties. Both parties are complicit in corruption through enhancing the value of land by giving either letter of intent or planning permission, whatever it is. I think there is no virtue in either side. They may abuse each other, but what is true is that, as you said, that if you want to do business in India, you have to be friendly with the government.
No, fine. That's a given. No, but in this case,
India free of corruption until government gets out of the business of granting
that's a long term. That's long term. I am talking now. I am saying tonight, every day after day now, the target has become very direct. Now, my question to you, DP Tripathi, as a long-standing politician and a political observer, do you think this is aimed at Priyanka Gandhi? The Congress-leaning spokesperson seems to indicate tonight that this is aimed at Priyanka Gandhi. Aarti Jairath says it's because of Priyanka Gandhi's growing preeminence that this is now being brought up. What do you think, Mr. Tripathi?
No, I think it is because of the ideological intervention of Priyanka Gandhi that they are so shocked and scared. That is why this whole issue has been brought up. In the entire discourse in these elections, Priyanka Gandhi has done a wonderful job by bringing in the ideological question, which was which was more or less absent. An actual discourse depends on that. So the whole ideology of BJP is different. And what I was pointing out is, what they are saying today, again, please don't mind if I go seriously back to Urdu poetry again. And
Siddharth
this
will
is
respond to
Momin,
that.
who says, "Uljhe hai paon yaar ke zulfe daraz mein, uljhe hai paon yaar ke zulfe daraz mein, lo aap apne daam mein sayyad aa gaya." The spinning of the web of lies which BJP is doing, they have been caught in those falsehoods themselves.
Siddharth.
So look at the selection of their candidates. No, I'm making a political point
I get your
on the
point.
questions that BJP has raised. Look at the kind of candidates they have fielded, whom they have been opposing for the last 20, 30 years and charging them for corruption and many other evil designs. They are their representatives. They are their candidates today in the elections. They are not talking about these things.
On the
and
first
they are
point.
talking about purity,
On the first point.
piousness,
No, on point number one.
holier than thou attitude.
I want point number one.
This is what I am against.
On point number one, that this is an insecure BJP's response. An insecure BJP's response to the fact that Priyanka Gandhi brings an ideological component into the debate. Siddharth?
From 10 Janpath.
What? Siddharth?
Yeah.
No, I'm
Sorry?
not from 10 Janpath, by the way. I represent the National
No,
Congress
you're not.
Party.
You're a
You know
supporter
it.
of 10 Janpath, which was after splitting the party, you came back to support on an issue which was ideological, and you are trying to tell me what is ideology. That was your ideology when you left 10 Janpath. Gandhi
and
is out and
suddenly
Priyanka
you
is
have
in.
made her a target, or rather, you are attacking her through Robert Vadra. You were quiet on Robert Vadra all this time. It's only when she stepped in. And you know, I'm sorry, you know, your credibility as a party, you ran an entire election on Bofors. What happened with Bofors? You ran an entire election campaign on Bofors. You came to power. What did you do with Bofors?
And Mr. Siddharth Singh, no, just a quick follow-up of that. Siddharth, a minute. No, Siddharth, let me ask you. No, Mr. Singh, Aarti, just a minute. I have another, Aarti, 1 minute. Siddharth, 1 minute. If Robert Vadras is a case of political equity, please listen. If Robert Vadras is a case of political equity, what kind of political equity is it that of Yediyurappa, who is facing charges of abusing his office to dole out favors to mining companies?
Well,
what equity is that?
Has been on. We didn't come to his rescue.
You brought him back.
Step down.
You brought him back.
And subsequently,
rescue. You've resurrected him. You've resurrected him.
He's come back after his.
You've resurrected him. What are you saying? You resurrected him.
It doesn't have much of it.
You resurrected the man. Okay, counters coming in. 1 second. 1 second. I don't know if Randeep's still on the phone line.
Mr. Robert Vadra.
Is Randeep on the phone line?
All that.
Randeep is on the phone line. By the way, that issue is trending out now. The RSVP drive trending, many tweets per minute. Randeep is responding. We have 4 or 5 minutes left, even less.
What
Randeep.
Mr. Modi and Bharatiya Janata Party needs to answer today is how and why do they bring one chief minister completely mired in corruption, that is Yediyurappa? Why are they running the entire campaign in Karnataka on shoulders of the Reddy brothers and Mr. Shri Mallu? Why is it that Mr. Narendra Modi has a convicted minister convicted for corruption, Babu Bhai Bokaria, in his cabinet? Why does he not have the courage of conviction to remove him from the cabinet? Why does Mr. Modi have another minister cheated for corruption by none less?
Okay, Randeep, we have 2 minutes. Let him respond. He got your point. Randeep, he got your point. Siddharth.
That's right from Adani's.
Okay, Randeep. Okay. Mr. Surjewala, okay.
In the Karnataka thing,
Mr. Surjewala, okay, please, Kiran Bedi still to come back to the debate.
Bothered about what is happening in the Himachal Pradesh.
Mr. Surjewala, point taken. Now, please, let them respond. Okay, please, Mr. Surjewala.
They make him resign as a steel minister, but they make him as the chief minister. That's not the case what we have done in Karnataka. Now, coming on the other
Priyanka, you've still not answered the Priyanka question. Priyanka question thrown at you.
I've already answered. What is there to... If Aarti keeps dreaming that because of Priyanka we are raising, good luck to her. It is her viewpoint. It is for her to write an opinion and an article. But for BJP, it is a corruption. And the corruption is there because there is an RSVP model. And that model... In that model,
okay, we have a minute left now. We have a minute left, Kiran.
Of Sonia Gandhi.
No, 1 second.
Otherwise, he wouldn't have got this benefit.
Yeah, I want to talk about the legal issue. This is a political issue. Of course, Priyanka seems to have rattled them. But what I would like to say is that the biggest land scam that has taken place in any state in the country is this one. And the worst is that this amounts to criminal breach of trust, not only because it has been given at 1 rupee, but also because after taking this land, 3,86,000 crore.
Okay, now
3,86 lakh square meters of land, he has sold it at 700 rupees to other people and not utilized for the purpose.
Okay, now we are repeating the point.
It amounts to gross.
Now we're repeating the point. I just want to point out one thing at the end.
You are wrong in your first instance. It is not rupees 1, it is rupees 25.
Okay, now we'll
then there is
Siddharth, we'll go into we might continue this debate. We might continue the debate. We might continue the debate. I just want to point out one thing for all our viewers. Remember one thing. Robert Vadra had put out a statement, I think that was some time back. The Congress party directly and the Gandhi family directly has never got into this issue. It appears to me now, I don't know whether the Congress party or the Gandhi family officially responds to what has come out in the Wall Street Journal, or the BJP is something we'll have to look forward to this week. I don't know. No indications yet, but thank you very much. Right now, the Congress party says, you talk about Robert Vadra, we'll throw 20 questions on Adani back at you. Is that neutralizing or making it worse? The debate will continue. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for debate number 1 on the News Hour Tonight.